I'd like to give you a demonstration of our post-processing interface that we include in our Creo NC implementations. What I have on the screen is a Creo NC model that's fully programmed. It's time to generate the NC program. So I'm going to go ahead and post-process. I'd like to start out by showing you the process of creating the NC program without our interface. I'm going to go ahead and select Save as CL File, select the operation, select File, MCD file, done. This will be the name of the NC program. Hit OK. It is now created. I'll hit done. Then it shows up a cryptic list of all the post processors in our library. So if you don't know the number, you can peruse down and highlight a certain post over here, and in the lower left hand corner it shows you the name of the post. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. This post is prompting me for program number. It came up with some warnings. So we have set up ahead of time where our CL file directory is. So I'm going to open up File Explorer. I'm going to go to that directory, and there is the NC program that it created. There were some warnings, so I can look in the L.L.C file. I can edit this, and I can do a search for *warn for warnings. It'll show me, first of all, there's a spindle speed I have in there of 0. So warnings can be found in the list file. I'm going to go ahead and fix that RPM and post it again. Now it has 0 warnings, so I can go back to my CL file directory. The program that I want is this one. This is the NC program. I can double click on it and I can take a look. Program looks good. The next step would be to possibly copy this and place this in a DNC directory. Then it is important that I clean all these files out. I will delete these. So it's a number of steps to post-process without our interface. To actually generate an NC program with our interface, I can start out by selecting the post-process icon on the top. It displays, in this particular case, I picked a milling environment, so it shows me the milling machines available for this environment. And this interface is fully configurable by you. I can also configure, do I want to post-process an operation or sequence or a set? So I'm going to select the Makino A77, hit OK. This map key pause window is telling me to select the operation or sequence and hit resume. So I'll select the operation, hit resume. Post is executed. 0 errors or warnings, resume. This interface is also fully configurable by you. This is showing me where the CL file directory is. This is our editor we're going to use. Once I hit the transfer button down here, it's going to take the NC program and place it in this directory. It's going to use this name. I could rename it at this point. I could configure it so it automatically puts a file prefix on the name. The extension in this case is .eia. If you have setup sheets, we can also transfer those. So I can hit View Edit, take a look at the program. If I had any warnings, I can hit View L.S.T. I could search for warning, find out what it is, make a correction, and then repost. But this looks good, so I'll just hit Transfer. That program is already in the DNC directory, so it prompts me, do you want to overwrite it? I'm going to say yes. So it not only expedites the process of generating the NC programs, but if I look at my CL file directory, it cleaned it out.